Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to make one Japanese woman and a Japanese man. So let's start. So first step is we are going to make a big U. Then we are going to cover it in this way. This is our step number 1. So side by side, so our 2U are made. After making 2U, we will draw a line and draw a curve here. Then flower petals here. Then from here, one triangle and 2 lines. This is the lower part of the body. Now we will show a rectangle here. Two circles and one smiley face. And then envelope type thing. And here one bun. The next one, which is taller, we'll show the bun. We have shown 2 eyes, 1 face. Now we will start coloring it. So I will start with yellow color on the top. Then I'll draw the outline with black color. All outlines I'll draw with black color. Please give small strokes so that our paper is fully filled with color. Our painting is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. Kindly like, subscribe and share the information about my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.